Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well and listening to your parents. इसके साथ साथ I hope कि आप पढ़ाई भी अच्छे से कर रहे हो. So children, like we learn in English, okay, through literature we come across so many different stories जिसकी वजह से हम कुछ ना कुछ सीखते ही हैं. Okay, some stories are for entertainment, some are to give us a lesson, to teach us something. Okay, some poems are really beautiful. They talk about nature. So let's see what is this poem about, okay, named Anne Gregory. Who is Anne Gregory? What is this poem about? Okay, so let's do a quick warm up first. Have you ever judged a person? What was your parameter for it? क्या आपने किसी को जज किया है और कौन से पैरामीटर पे जज किया? Do you really think that facial beauty is essential for success? क्या आपको लगता है कि जो सुंदर दिखते हैं, okay, सुंदर दिखना is essential for success, लाइफ में कुछ अचीव करने के लिए? Okay, so what is the most important trait of a good human? So आपके हिसाब से अच्छा इंसान होने के लिए क्या क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए? Okay, अच्छा दिखना, okay, या अच्छा नेचर होना, okay, being kind. So what is it? Okay, आपके हिसाब से is what you have to tell us. Alright, now let's do a quick synopsis and see what this poem is about. This poem is in the form of a conversation that goes between the poet William Butler Yeats and a young girl named Anne Gregory. So a conversation है between poet William Butler Yeats and this young girl called Anne Gregory. Okay, दोनों के बीच की बातचीत है. The girl had beautiful honey-colored hair. Here, the poet has described that a person falls in love with the girl's outer beauty and her physical appearance. So, ये जो लड़की है ना, Anne Gregory, उसके जो बालों का कलर है, it's very beautiful. Okay, it is honey-colored. Okay, जो शहद होता है ना, उसके कलर के बाल है उसके, इतने सुंदर बाल है उसके. अब ये पोएट जो है वो उसको बोलता है कि जो भी आदमी तुमसे प्यार करता है, द पर्सन हु फॉल्स इन लव, ओके, विद द गर्ल, इट इज़ नॉट यू, ओके, दैट पर्सन लाइक्स, बट योर आउटर ब्यूटी, ओके, नॉट योर इनर ब्यूटी. तुम्हारी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस जो है उसके वजह से द पर्सन फॉल्स इन लव विथ यू. ओके, सो द पोएम बिगिन्स सेइंग, नेवर शैल अ यंग मैन थ्रोन इनटू डिस्पेयर by those great honey-colored ramparts at your ear love you for yourself alone and not your yellow hair. So वो उसको कह रहा है कि कोई भी ऐसा आदमी नहीं है, यंग आदमी नहीं है, ओके, जो तुमसे, ओके, प्यार करेगा, ओके, because of you, what you are, okay, what you are alone, okay, what you yourself are and not your beautiful hair. So he's saying that जो भी तुमसे प्यार करेगा would be because of the honey colored hair, okay, the hair that you have, okay, he will fall for you because of your hair, okay, not because of who you are. All right, but I can get a hair dye and set such color there, brown or black or carrot, that young men in despair may love me for myself alone and not my yellow hair. तो अब इस चीज़ के लिए ये लड़की जो है एन ग्रेगरी पोएट को रिप्लाई दे रही है. कहती है, पर मैं तो अपने बालों का हेयर डाई कर सकती हूँ. आई कैन चेंज द कलर ऑफ माई हेयर, चेंज करके मैं उसको ब्राउन कर सकती हूँ, ब्लैक कर सकती हूँ या कैरेट कलर कर सकती हूँ. तो ये जो यंग मैन है ना, जो मुझे होपफुली देख रहे हैं या जिनको होप्स नहीं है मेरे से कुछ भी, वो तो फिर तो दे विल फॉल फॉर मी एंड नॉट माई हेयर, इज वॉट शी इज गिविंग अ रिप्लाई. मैं तो अपने बालों को कलर कर सकती हूँ. सो नाउ ही फर्दर सेज, आई हर्ड एन ओल्ड रिलीजियस मैन बट यस्टर नाइट डिक्लेयर दैट ही हैड फाउंड द टेक्स्ट टू प्रूव दैट ओनली गॉड माई डियर कुड लव यू फॉर योर सेल्फ अलोन एंड नॉट योर येलो हेयर. सो अब ये जो पोएट है वो उसको जवाब देता है, कहते हैं कि मैंने एक मतलब किसी महान रिलीजियस आदमी ने लिखा था कि उसने अपने टेक्स्ट में ये लिखा था कि ओनली गॉड इज द ओनली वन, ओके, हु विल लव यू फॉर हु यू आर. ओके, सिर्फ भगवान तुमसे तुम जैसे हो, ओके, तुम्हारा जो भी नेचर है उसके लिए तुमसे प्यार करेगा एंड नॉट एनीबडी एल्स, ओके। बाकी सब लोग सबसे पहले वो तुम्हारी आउटर ब्यूटी देखेंगे, तुम्हारी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस देखेंगे, ओके, उसके बाद, ओके, दे मे फॉल इन लव विथ यू, बट नॉट if you're not so good looking, if your physical appearance is not appealing, then do not expect people to fall for you, okay. Then only God is the one who will always love you for whatever you are, however beautiful or however not so good looking you are, okay. सिर्फ भगवान ही तुमसे प्यार कर सकता है for who you are, okay, your nature, your inner beauty, okay, सिर्फ भगवान को पता है. But otherwise, when a person is looking at you, okay, then first thing that they will always look is your physical appearance. तो हमारे साथ भी ऐसे होता होगा ना, तो हम भी कभी कभी दोस्त बनाते वक्त, ओके, आप भी तो करते होंगे कि दोस्त बनाते वक्त आप देखते होंगे कौन अच्छा दिखता है, कौन नहीं दिखता है, एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली यू मस्ट बी मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स, है ना. तो दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग. सबके साथ ऐसा होता है कि सब लोग पहले आउटर ब्यूटी ही देखते, फिजिकल अपीयरेंस देखते, एंड देन यू नो they think about other things. Slowly and gradually जब वो friends बन जाते हैं उसके बाद then they come to know how that person is. Okay, so this beautiful poem is written by W.B. Yeats. Okay, William Butler Yeats was an Irish poet, dramatist and writer. His notable works are A Vision, Easter 19, The Wild Swans at Coole and The Second Coming. He was the driving force behind the Irish literary revival. He received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1923. Okay, so Yeats was a very famous poet. Okay, very उनका काफ़ी सारा work famous है. He's an Irish poet, dramatist है, writer है, okay, और उनके काफ़ी सारे works में आते हैं. A Vision आता है, Easter 19, Wild Swans at Coole and The Second Coming. So उनको Nobel Prize भी मिला है for literature. Okay, so now what are the words that we need to know? Despair means to have no hope. Okay, तो जो लोग होते हैं जिनको कोई hope नहीं रहता है कि यार will this girl like me or not. Okay, ramparts are protective barriers, but यहाँ पे ramparts means hair के बारे में बताया जा रहा है, hair के साथ context हो रहा है. Okay, and text is the religious book, because here जो है the poet और जो Anne Gregory के बीच में conversation चल रहा है वो तो simple वही है कि people will like you only because of your hair, your beautiful hair that you have. तो तुम उसको कलर भी करो, कुछ भी करो, okay, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. Only God will like you for what you are. Okay, people will always judge you first with your physical appearance. Clear? Now, alliteration. Okay, alliteration is the repetition of the consonant sound. It brings rhythm within the line of the poem or prose. Here the poet has used alliteration in some lines. तो poet ने यहाँ पे alliteration use किया है जिसमें consonant sound जो होता है. Okay, we all know that there are vowels and consonants. So consonant sound जो होता है, okay, उसका repetition जो होता है वो होता है alliteration. Okay, तो इसमें यहाँ पे example में देखो आप, and not your yellow hair. Okay, yellow hair. तो Y sound is repeated. Yellow hair. Okay. No, and set such color there. S sound is repeated. Okay, not your yellow hair and set such color there. Clear? Brown or black or carrot. So यहाँ पे ब का sound जो है brown, black, okay. So ब का sound जो है वो repeat हुआ है. Alright. So मतलब यहाँ पे य, स और ब repeat हुआ है. Okay, yellow, ear, set such, sir, and brown, black, b. Clear? Okay, now quickly read this poem because you need to answer the back questions. Okay, through question time, reference to context. फिर उसके बाद answer the following questions, think and answer. Okay, now let's move on to grammar study. ओके, ग्रामर स्टडी में हमने पहले किया था अबाउट द इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. अब हम करेंगे अबाउट इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस को कैसे डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में हम कन्वर्ट करते. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सबसे पहले ओके, इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस वो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं जहाँ पे आप कुछ कमांड दे रहे हो, ऑर्डर दे रहे हो, या एडवाइस दे रहे हो, सजेशंस दे रहे हो, so those are imperative sentences. Okay, now imperative form of the direct speech will change to assertive sentences in the indirect speech. जैसे Krish said, take all the important pictures carefully. So Krish requested to take all the important pictures clearly. In place of said or said to in the direct speech, request, order or advise will be used in the indirect speech. Okay, so said या said to बन जाएगा request या requested, ordered or advised in the indirect speech. The teacher said, switch off the lights and fans now. Okay, तो ये क्या होगा? The teacher ordered to switch off the lights and fans then. Now becomes then. Okay, infinitive, that is to plus verb in the first form, is used to join the two sentences of the direct speech into the indirect speech. He said to her, don't argue with the officers. He advised her not to argue with the officers. Okay, or he forbade her to argue with the officers. Clear? Change the following sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. The teacher said to the class, work together and finish the task in time. The teacher asked the class to work together and to complete the task in time. Okay, don't run in the sun, the mother said to her son. Okay, so the mother ordered her son not to run in the sun. Okay, so likewise do the rest. Change the following sentences from indirect speech to direct speech. My aunt told me to write to her. So this will be, my aunt said, send me a letter. Okay. The notice warned the public not to use the wrong coin in the machine. Okay. The notice said, do not use wrong coin in the machine. Alright. So likewise do the rest of them. Okay, now word study. Okay, rearrange the following words or phrases to form meaningful sentences. Work and play, proper, should, a student, attention, pay, to. A student should pay proper attention to work and play. Okay, not to play, the sun outside is shining too brightly, so better it is. Okay, so the sun is shining too brightly outside, so it is better not to play. Alright, so likewise do the rest of them. Who am I? To know the past, I am compulsorily to be learned. It is history. Okay, if we want to know about the past, what do we have to learn? History. Alright. I am the most requisite thing for communication. What is it? You need, what is it that you need to communicate? You need to speak, okay? Or you need a mobile phone, alright? Okay, or social media, okay, any type of media, okay? So likewise do the rest of them. Okay, now listening time. A passage will be read by your teacher. Listen to it with great attention and rearrange these sentences. Speaking time, may you have to divide the whole class in groups with each group containing 3 students. You will speak about your favorite character of Avengers you may mention. Okay, so आप Avengers के कोई भी character को ले सकते हो, उसके बारे में आपको बात करनी है, तो आपको नाम बताना है character का, movie का नाम बताना है and features बताने हैं उस character के बारे में. Clear? Now writing time में it's a story time. Okay, story writing. Mohan wrote just a few lines but couldn't develop the story he wanted to write. अब मोहन एक कोशिश कर रहा है स्टोरी लिखने की बट वो डेवलप नहीं कर पा रहा है. So taking help from the input given below and the introductory lines written by Mohan, complete the story. The celebrated archer Guru Dronacharya taught the royal princess the finer points of archery. One day he wanted to test. तो आपको इस स्टोरी को बनाना है. Okay. Outline. Selected a tree in forest place plucked a wooden bird on a bare branch were to hit the bird in the eye. Yudhishthir stepped forward. Can you see me? Asked Dronacharya. Yes, replied Yudhishthir. Asked him to put down the bow. Each prince replied the same, asked to retire from the competition. Finally came Arjun. Okay, Arjuna, do you see me? Asked Dronacharya. I see only my target, said Arjuna. Arjun hit the bird's eye. So इस basis पे आपको ये story लिखनी है. Okay, now quickly reread the poem, the beautiful poem that we have. Okay, and then complete all the exercises, also complete the grammar portion, and then get on to the writing skills. All right, children, get going.